The upcoming holiday break means kids will be home, most likely scrolling on their tablets or phones. A recent report by the Federal Trade Commission paints an alarming picture of social media, though, and the data they collect on kids and teens.
That report has now prompted some changes. Linda Baccaro describes the steps you can take now to help keep your kids safe.
At this children's playground in Valhalla, parents told me what they worry about when their kids are online. Natalie Martinez has a young son.
Talking to strangers, obviously, number one. We don't know who they're talking to.
Communicating with somebody who's not who they say they are. And I guess the second concern is them finding something that's not age appropriate.
Parents are on guard, especially after a study by the Federal Trade Commission on 9 of the largest social media companies and the amount of data they collect. Kim Key is senior analyst with PC Mag.
Basically saying that these platforms are not really that safe specifically for teens. The study found some of the apps contained pixels. They contained code within the pixels so they can see where you're scrolling, how you're scrolling.
Meta recently launched teen accounts for its platforms, including Instagram, with more restrictive settings. It also plans to use artificial intelligence to spot users under 18 lying about their age and automatically switch them to a teen account. YouTube says it doesn't sell people's personal information for ads, and X says it ensures users are aware that data is being shared and provides options for limiting. And Roblox now allows parents to access parental controls on kids' devices from their own devices and to monitor screen time. On every phone and within most apps, there are plenty of settings that you can use to try to help control what your child sees and does online.
They also have settings that you can turn on for your child, or you can request them to turn it on, that sort of thing, that do not allow them to be viewed by strangers, which is great. They also don't allow them to be contacted by strangers.
I do have restrictions for keywords that I don't want them to have access to.
It's also a good idea for families to have conversations about the need for protections.
Talking to them, making sure that they understand this isn't, house rules for no reason. This is about safety.
You can also set limits on screen time to allow for more family time.
And that was Linda Baccaro reporting tonight.